Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kushal and today I am going to teach you the sixth poem of class 12th, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. It is written by Adrian Rich. So, before coming to the text, I would like to tell you about the poem. Aunt Jennifer's Tigers is a 1951 poem by American poet Adrian Rich. It appeared in her first published book of poems, A Change of World. Told from the perspective of an anonymous speaker, the poem describes a woman, Aunt Jennifer, who crafts vibrant tapestry panels, means depicting tigers, to escape mentally, at least her unhappy marriage. So what is tapestry? Let me tell you. Tapestry is a piece of thick textile fabric with pictures or designs formed by weaving colored web threads or by embroidering on canvas, used as a wall hanging or soft furnishing. Okay. Written at a time when divorce was unacceptable, the poem criticizes the traditional institution of marriage, suggesting that it oppresses women. So now let's discuss what is the subject matter of the poem. Means what is the theme of this poem. The poem deals with the pathetic condition of married women all over the world. Aunt Jennifer is a symbol of all married women who are suffering at the oppressive hands of a patriarchal society. I hope you are figuring it out. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि इस पोयम में सभी जो शादीशुदा औरतें हैं उनके हालात दिखाए हैं, उनकी दयनीय अवस्था को दिखाया गया है कि किस तरीके से वो पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी, कैसे वो मतलब मेल डोमिनेटिंग जो सोसाइटी है उससे कैसे वो मतलब एक्सप्लॉइटेड होती है. ओके, सो द पोयम डील्स विद द मिजरेबल कंडीशंस ऑफ married women all over the world. And Aunt Jennifer is not a single character. Means she represents all the married women. Okay? Okay then. So let me tell you one thing, that in this poem, Aunt Jennifer's miserable condition is highlighted, and she had a strong desire of freedom, but she could not enjoy it in her life. Okay, to enjoy the freedom, she adopted embroidery. She started doing embroidery, means she adopted art. Okay, but through that art also she could not enjoy that freedom. Her attempt to enjoy freedom failed. So क्या यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ ये भी पढ़ते हैं. Let's start. The theme of the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers by Adrian Rich is how the power of the patriarchy controls women's forms. कि किस तरीके से जो है पेट्रियार्की की, मीन्स मैन की जो पावर है कैसे कंट्रोल करती है वीमेंस को, बट नॉट देयर माइंड्स. Okay, patriarchy can control, the power of the patriarchy can control women's forms, means women physically, but not their minds. The poem makes this point by presenting the wild, interesting, powerful tigers embroidered by Aunt Jennifer and contrasting them with Aunt Jennifer, the oppressed wife. So, it is an important thing what is the subject matter. So, students, as I told you that Aunt Jennifer was exploited by her domineering husband. She did not have freedom of action and freedom of speech. She could neither act nor do according to her own wish. Okay, Aunt Jennifer's. So Aunt Jennifer actually adopted art to enjoy the freedom. So Aunt Jennifer was unhappy in her marriage, and in those days divorce was not acceptable. So she took the shelter in art. Means through art she wanted to enjoy the freedom. She selected the medium of art to enjoy the freedom, but her effort to enjoy freedom were failed. Okay, so let's start. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen. So Aunt Jennifer embroidered some tigers on a screen. तो एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड किया उसने स्क्रीन पर. नाउ व्हाट इज स्क्रीन? स्क्रीन मीन्स अ क्लॉथ, पैनल, कोई पैनल, क्लॉथ. व्हेनेवर एम्ब्रॉयडरी इज डन, a cloth is